Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.